Han, look, the fish become like a butterfly. It's a heart fish, Han. Here. Have the fish, love. Hello mga loves, sinabihan ako ni Mister magbihis daw ako kasi meron kaming lalakarin. And then akala ko aalis na kami pero ngayon hindi pa pala siya umalis, umupo at nag-order. Sabi ko bakit anong in-order mo dong? Friday pala ngayon at pwede naman daw ako magluto sa bahay mga love. Kaso feel daw niyang mag-order para hindi daw Inday Mirian mapagod Sa'yo nang kaana, asan ka hanap ng ganitong lalaki? Charot. Kasi nga daw siya mag-order, so sabi niya, hindi daw niya ako babayaan. Parang hindi na daw ako magluto at kakain ng leftover. Inorderan niya ako ng paborito kong, ay nako, red snapper. Ito lang yung katulong mga loves na talagang pinangga. Mahal na mahal ng amo ko. Grabe. Sir, bacon naman. Huwag magalit ang pikon. Ang dami kasing pikon. So ngayon mga loves, lumayas na kami. Hindi naman talaga ako nagbihis mga loves kasi sabi niya magbihis daw ako kasi nga lalabas. So yan ang ginawa ko is nag-jacket lang ako at yung pajama ko kasi parehas ng color. Sabi ko, hindi na ako magbihis darling. Oy, ito na lang. Parehas sila ng kulay ng jacket ko. So yun, ako yung nag-drive kasi nga alam nyo na gusto ko talaga mag-drive mga loves. Kahit saan mo ako idala, kahit saan mo ako ilagay, ako talaga yung mag-drive. Sana all talaga itong asawa ko mga loves. Alam nyo, kung may next life tayo, ganitong lalaki ang gustong gusto ko mga loves. Kung sino yung partner at minahal ninyo at talagang maasikaso at maalalahanin sa inyo, yun talaga yung wini-wish ninyo. Kung meron pang kabilang buhay, pero mga next life dyan, alam nyo, itong mga ganitong klaseng lalaki talaga yung dapat asawahin natin ulit, no? Malas naman kung maulata na imong ikaduhang bana nimo no sa next life. Just ginoo ko sakit. Anyway, in order nga niya yung pagkain ko no. So yun yung inuna namin kasi magkaiba yung tindahan na ano namin inorderan. So nagpunta na naman kami dito sa kabila yung sa kanya na kung saan siya umorder ng para sa kanya kasi Italian daw yung iyaha mga loves no. So Italian yung inorder niya. So ngayon andito na at finally nakauwi din kami. Kakain lang kami mga loves. No, samahan nyo kami sa aming mga galawan dito ha. Eggplant ha, mama.
Yeah, this is mostly pasta in there.
I can tell. And the eggplant is really thin, love.
Yeah.
What kind of eggplant is that? Eggplant should be thicker. This is what's in here. Have the fish, love. You see that? Oh, rice. The white rice. Love, don't put that over there. I don't have space. That's for you. You want it? Huh?
Knife?
No, my hand. I have my hand. I wash it 3 times already. Thank you, love. Thank you for being such a good baby. Ha? Ang fish snap. Isda na naman tayo mga loves. Ready snapper na naman tayo mga loves. Kasi no, ito talaga yung ano ko. Kapag mag-order, ito yung alam ni Tami na talagang...
Oh, my chair.
Roxy, stop doing that. Ito talaga yung alam ni Tami na orderin ko palagi, oh.
Pogolan?
Husband's calamari, he put it over here. I'm not eating it. I only ate one already. I had one already. I'm good. I have a fish, darling. It's Friday, so it's a fish time. Isda, ang laki ng isda mga loves. Busog na naman ang katulong ni Tami. Hindi, Mirian, huwag kang magpalabi. O, di ba? Busog na busog ito mga loves. Isa lang yung masasabi ko sa mga taong nagsasabing pangit ako at bakit ako yung asawa ni Mister. Ang masasabi ko lang sa inyo, nagpasalamat ako na hindi kayo yung asawa ni Mister. Kawawa yung asawa ko kapag kayo yung naging asawa. Ang swerte kaya niya sa akin, no? Kahit ganito lang yung mukha ni Mirian at shorty, swerte kaya siya. At kung may magsasabi naman na hindi mayaman yung asawa ko, sino namang nagsasabi na mayaman ito? Oo, hindi kami mayaman. Huwag na kayong mag-alala dyan. Kasi nga yung iba dyan, alalang-alala. Ipagmalaki pa talaga niyang hindi mayaman itong asawa ko. Hindi ko naman sinasabing mayaman ito mga loves. Pobre kami. Kaya nga nag-order na lang namin kami pagkain. No? Sa sobrang pobre namin mga loves, hindi namin kayang magluto. Hindi po dapat kainggitan ang mga tao or mga babae or Pilipina na andito sa ibang bansa na may asawang AFAM, no? Isipin na lang ninyo na swerte din kayo dyan, mga basher. Swerte din kayo, oy, humihinga pa kayo, meron kayong makain. Kasi mostly, itong mga nambabash or galit sa atin or sa mga vlogger, dahil po, galit na galit sila sa nakikita kasi ayaw nila. Like parang masagana yung buhay, nasa abroad dolyares yung pera. Yun kasi yun halos kasagaran na bakit may mangbabash dahil ayaw nila na nakikita naging masaya yung kabayan po nila. Pero kung totoo sino, magpasalamat na lang talaga tayo. Huwag tayong mainggit kung sino man yung magagandang bahay, maraming pera, may AFAM, nasa abroad, maganda yung trabaho, may natapos, ganun. Huwag tayong mainggit, kasi mostly yun yung kainggitan natin, yung pera, kung sino yung mayaman, kung sino yung ganun. You know, magpasalamat na lang tayo na buhay tayo at may makakain sa araw-araw. After dinner mga labs, nanonood kami ng Frozen. O diba, nakikanta na din si Mary Ann. Oy, kahit sobrang yabag ang pangit ng boses. O diba, nakikanta. Grabe talaga si Inday. Dinestorbo basta. Let it go, can't hold back anymore. Let it go, honey. Let it go. Na na na. Here I come under you slipping in the storm rage.
Goodbye.
Magluto tayo ng dried fish mga loves. Habang andito si Mister. Nairita man ako dito kanina. So ngayon magluto tayo ng dried fish. Hala, I forgot to buy. I forgot to buy vegetable oil.
Vegetable oil is really bad for you.
Huh?
Vegetable oil is really very bad.
I know, but I'm not using it for cooking, only for frying dried fish, you know.
So, that's really
So, I am cooking this. Kasi po, Mr. is going to be here. So pa-inhale natin sa kanya. Sabi ko sa kanya, magluto ako ng dried fish. Wala akong pakialam kung andito ka dong. You don't care, right? Oh, Han, look. The fish become like a butterfly. It's a heart fish, Han.
Yeah.
It's a heart one. A tiny baby. A tiny one. Do you like it?
No.
Do you want to try it now?
No.
Just a little bite.
No, I do not. Thank you. Eat that stinkiest fish.
This is not even salty.
Stinky.
It's unsalted fish. And all you can see is the head and the mouth of it split up. My husband, he's not very supportive of me. He's very supportive, but when it comes to Filipino food, I don't manipulate you. You ate this before, and you said it's yummy. Yes, you did, and Sue, the two of you, and even Mom. Mom eat it, and he doesn't complain, hon. She doesn't complain, she just eat it. Huh? Can you smell it? Can you smell it?
I try not to.
Hello, I'm sorry. Do you want me to go outside?
Nope.
Hello, we need to spray or we need to Right now, mga loves, hindi ko talaga ito, I don't really care before because they don't really care. My mother-in-law inhale it. My husband inhale it in the kitchen. Everybody stay in the kitchen sa New Rochelle house. But I cook it over there and didn't see anything. And now, because I'm older and my husband is also older now, and few years
And
later,
them dried fish are way older.
I have a lot of older fish, mga loves, like pinikas, nandun sa freezer. So, hindi ko siya kinakain. I think itatapon ko yun kasi it was like 16 years later from New Rochelle niya. So, you can smell it. Can you smell it?
I try not to. Did you like or something?
Yes, the rice. Can you take it out for me, please? Han, it smells good actually, Han. It smells like steak.
Yeah.
Han, it does.
Smell like steak that's been sitting in a dump site for about a month.
Dump site. And our food is not a dump site food. Hello, Han. It smells, Han.
Yeah. You know that.
You can smell it.
That's why you do it.
You can smell it.
Yeah, so
Sorry, love.
even I can't spell so long.
I'm sorry, darling.
Look at Dimple staring at you. She said, I like it.
Hello, what time is their dried food?
It already came down.
Came down, so why she is like that?
So she got it, and now she's looking for something else.
Okay, I wanna cook it properly, okay?
Go ahead.
Cook it longer. Forgive me, darling. Forgive me. Sa labas man ang ko mga loves. Ay kaso, ang ginaw sa labas, grabe. Ang ginaw-ginaw talaga, grabe.
Take out and I'll put it in the microwave.
Okay, you microwave it?
Yeah, to get the inside of the cheese melted.
It really is stinky, love, huh?
It is.
Hello, wait. You really did see that, honey? It makes me feel so bad.
That's what it is.
It's really cold outside, honey, if I cook it out.
Puddle.
Huh?
Puddle.
Oh, you puddle the cheese. Right now, I'm very I consider Tammy's feelings when it comes to cooking sa mga dried fish sa loob. Before, wala talaga akong pakialam. Pati yung mother-in-law ko talaga, I cook inside. Wala talaga akong paki. Talaga. Bahay pa niya yun. Kasi gutom na gutom ako, mga loves. Gusto ko talaga yung dried fish, no? So, kaya para talaga akong tulaloy. Okay. Tingnan ko na ito. Madali man siyang maluto, no? Mga loves. Yan. So, ito yung ating kakainin. And, so, okay, you eat na, love, because I still have to make something. Sobrang crunchy yan. You sure? This is not salty. You can buy salted and unsalted. What are you doing? Sarap niya mga loves. Sukang ano. Hindi po ito sukang pinakurat. Isa coconut vinegar. Sarap. Ito talagang sabi ko sa inyo na sana bumili ako ng marami. I know. Sobrang crunchy.
She said, what do you want me to do? Throw it in the garbage can?
It's like chicharon
Yeah.
of a pork. Yes, son. Try it.
Only because it's crunchy.
No, it tastes like wood.
No.
None.
Is that like a rule with you?
Huh?
You went back out of the rule.
Sarap. Grabe, ang sarap talaga na. Saan?
Good morning, little special. And you know hops on that.
No. You always say no.
Like going out for a cigarette. Hops coming out too.
Too good.